Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh.
I'll get him on the fence. Don't trust him a bit.
I wouldn't either.
Yep, I'm much happier up here with Ron in there.
Just gotta do your head, right? I don't know what that means. Let her go to her mom.
Oh, that's nice of you.
Number of times.
No, you have to hit it twice at the same time. Come on, go, Ron. One more time. No, flap the arms.
It might fly away.
Ronnie.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, that's why I wasn't wanting to be in here without.
He's got the stops and turns. Yeah, I've seen him turn on a dime. And,
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty natural. All right, that's all.
That was very entertaining, Ron.
Does he have little horseshoes on?
No.
That's his
Oh,
nails.
okay.
Just his
Hobbing his
When he
hoofs.
kicked his back legs up, it almost looked like he had little
Exactly
white
how the
horseshoes.
horse
That's just the
whisperer
bottom
does
of his feet.
I love that, Ron.
That is cool.
There we go. Comes back to his friend.
Hey there, buddy. Hi.
Let's see, can I bite him now?
He's gone up on his high-ho silverback legs on me before too, Ron.
Right here? Oh, yeah, I know. I
So-
thought this is really not the best.
Yeah, even standing